Today's computer-controlled engines are a marvel of technology. They have the ability to automatically compensate for countless variables and on the whole do a fantastic job. Unfortunately, manufacturers have to settle on a set of tuning specifications to cater for the masses, whether the customer be towing, long distance travelling, city driving or chasing the ultimate performance. The factory tune is a compromise across the board. The Recurve unit allows you to see the factory computer with tailored parameters to suit specific driving conditions, allowing the vehicle to perform at its peak safely for each application. Pre-programmed applications include the standard factory tune, a towing tune, a power tune, an eco tune, and a detuned setting we call valet, for those times that you have to hand the keys over to a third party. Our custom tunes are vehicle specific and are engineered by our tuning specialists for Australian conditions from well over a decade of real-world testing. The OEM installed engine management system already manages the engine as the original design engineers intended. What we offer is the ability to tailor your engine's performance to your specific driving needs, when you need it, without having to visit a tuning shop. The device is small enough to fit in your glove box, and changing an engine tune just takes minutes. Just imagine being able to put in a towing tune just before you head off on that caravanning holiday. After setting up in the van park, you can then change to a performance tune to go play on the beach. Pop the towing tune in again as you hitch up the van to come home. And once home, you can slip in the eco tune for your daily running. It's just like having your own personalised tuner 24/7. For more information or to buy yours online and save, go to recurve.com.au.